Hello everybody, this is my blue-tongued skink, Rango, enjoying his snack. It is strawberry yogurt banana with greens mixed up in there. There's a bunch more underneath. I just put some on bottom, then yogurt, then more greens on the top. I didn't put any cat food in this one this time, but most of the time I get put cat food in there with them, like the hard cat food. Let it soften up. He loves it though. Well, he will continue to eat for quite a while, so I'm going to go ahead and let him eat. But thanks for watching.